Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Sami from the Black Room. Just wanted to come on the mic for a few minutes to share with you my top watches for the day. First, the market is gapping, following through on yesterday's breakout to all-time highs. This is the daily chart of the Qs, and we can see the market is broke out yesterday. Today, actually, we're following through, so that's pretty bullish. But the top watches are, for the most part, all short. I like the ctlt gapping down under wide range green bar and under multiple green bars in a row, meaning everybody that bought it yesterday and the prior days is underwater today. So I like the ctlt lower, gapping down to 40.50. The problem with the ctlt is the size of the gap is too big. So we really want to see it stay around 41. The target is already at, the target is around 40, and it is gapping close to it, but there's a lot of shock in the ctlt. That's actually not my favorite gap down. Probably my favorite gap down is the IONS, IONS. It's gapping down to 47.50, right about there. Looks good short to me. 48 would have been better, because now, again, the same thing. We don't want it too big. We want it big enough that to inflict enough pain on the bullish, on the people that bought it yesterday, but we don't want it down too much. So I like the IONS short also. I like, let's see, I like the PAHC. This is a little bit of an island reversal. We broke out yesterday, and today we're gapping down under 51.70. Actually, at the moment, right to 51.70. We want to, usually the bare minimum is to clear yesterday's low. So we're right there. We want to make sure we stay under it, and then if we do, then I like it short. I also like laser short, gapping down to 28.40. We just want to make sure it clears 27.70, but even without clearing, I like the shock value on this. The only issue with it is it's really thin, so it might not be tradable, very tradable. What else do I like? Yeah, I like CPB. I would say gapping down to $39. Let me open up the daily chart here. So gapping down to about 39. That's under 2-3 months worth of basing, meaning again, everybody that any and every person that bought it in the last 2 months is underwater today. They might look to sell, if they do, it'll drive the stock lower, the stock price. So I like the CPB short. What else? So those are just to start with. What about the HAIN, the HAIN, gapping out to 27.50? That's pretty good too. So lots of short watches at the open. As far as the gap ups goes, let's see. From the gap ups, I like LSCC, I think, gapping up to 8.30. That's not bad. It's just a little too big. $8 would have been ideal, but I like the LSCC. QCOM is all out bullish, gapping up about 2.5%. The gap isn't particularly interesting, but it's just a really, really bullish stock at the moment. And then we have Tiffany gapping up. That's okay, not bad. We have DSW gapping up. DSW is actually gapping up almost 20%, I think. Let's see, where is it on my charts? Let's see, DSW gapping up, yeah, 21%. It's too big, unfortunately, to 33. So this requires, this is going to need a pullback. And then as far as some, swing watches, I like ASET over the base here, like it long. I like the CVG, which is a weekly buy setup. That's not bad. I like TGI, pullback plus a base breakout. Long, I like TROV. It's a penny stock as a breakout. So those are some swing watches. Long, short, I like LPI, daily sell setup, MNK, climactic sell, NEWA. It's more of an hourly base breakdown. That's the hourly chart. What else? RAD is a sell setup. More than the RAD, I like the SEDG sell setup, more. So those are some swing short watches. This is going to be a very short video because I have to get on the mic in the black room, but I just wanted to share with you some of my top watches for today. If you'd like to see how I trade these, come join me in the black room. You can request a free trial probably, just contact customer service, and you can follow along and see exactly how I trade each and every one of these. Thanks, and best of luck today. Take care, everybody.